Hi guys, in today's video I will teach you how to do live stream. So it is very important to do live stream for you to get more subscribers and to achieve your watch hours. You can do live stream even you haven't reached 1,000 subscribers. So watch this. First, go to your YouTube account. Okay. And this is my YouTube account. As you can see on the upper right corner of your YouTube, there is a icon video plus there. So click that one. And then there is go live. So click go live. And you will see on the left side of your laptop or desktop, there is stream, webcam, manage, and stream now classic. So click the webcam and then create your title. Example, the title is how to do live in YouTube. Okay, and then click the no, it's not made for kids, and then scroll down and click next, and there will be the thumbnail, so that one. So if you don't like your thumbnail, you can click the retake thumbnail and then smile. Yes, and then now after that, if you like your thumbnail, then click the go live on the lower part on the right side of your laptop. So click go live and wait for it. So now it's going live, so you can see. So now I am on live, so you're live, and you will see that there are some people watching your live here. If this number change into 1 or 2, that means somebody is watching you. So people who's watching you on live, it will pop up there, and you can also see the messages of your audience here, and you can reply, or you can just like talk to them on camera, like what I'm doing right now. Like example, like hello everyone, yes, hi to who is watching me right now, so welcome to my channel. So I am here doing a tutorial about how to do the live stream on YouTube. So you can see there is one watching me right now. So hello guys, like good evening or good morning there. So I'm doing a live tutorial about the how to do the live video, the live stream in YouTube. So that's it. After that, if you want to finish your live stream, you can click the end stream at the bottom part. There is like end stream in the red color, and then click, and then you can see, are you sure that you want to end your stream? So if you want to end it, then click end, but if you don't want, then click not yet. So if it's not yet, it will go back to your live stream, but if you click end, of course it will finish your live stream video, and then you just click dismiss, and then later on it will show to your YouTube channel. So I hope you guys, you learned something from my simple tutorial about how to do live stream in YouTube.